In our language, we have a word, Aanikobijigan, and that word is used both for my great-grandparent and my great-grandchild. It spans 7 generations, Aanikobijigan. 7 generations ago, our people were going through a hard time, dealing with treaties and all kinds of stuff. An almost impossible set of circumstances for Indigenous people to navigate. If you fought, it usually didn't go too well. But if you accommodated, it didn't go that much better either. And so they were thinking, what will our future generations, 7 generations from now, what are they going to need? And they thought, we're going to need sovereignty, self-rule. They thought, we're going to need land. We're going to need clean water. They're going to need our culture and our languages. 7 generations from now, no one's going to remember my name, no matter how many books I write. But if there is a chance that 7 generations from now, our children will know who they are, be equipped with a good chance for a long, healthy, happy life, I think they're going to need the very same things. Sovereignty, land, clean water, culture, language, community. If we can set them up with a chance at those things, all our strivings will be worth the effort.